Whether you're a passionate woodworker or a hands-on DIY enthusiast, the right tools can take your creativity to the next level. In this video, we're showcasing 20 of the coolest, smartest, and most innovative tools that are changing the woodworking game. From cordless drill sets to FUEL ratchets, these are the tools you must see to believe. Without further ado, let's get into it. Accurate and quick marking is essential for precise woodworking and DIY projects. The Wolfcraf marking gauge is a versatile tool designed for scoring and marking workpieces efficiently. It turns any commercially available rule into a marking gauge with its two-piece, high-quality plastic design. Simply set the measurement, position the limit stop, place the pencil in position, and pull along the edge for fast and exact markings. Ideal for both straight and circular marked lines, this tool is perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Wolfcraf provides reliable tools to ensure perfect work results and creative project solutions. Efficient drilling and screw driving are essential for smooth, accurate construction and repair work. Meet the DCA Cordless Drill Set, a powerful and compact tool built for performance and comfort. Equipped with a durable pure copper motor, it delivers 366 inch-pounds of torque and features a versatile 2-speed transmission, 0 to 400 and 0 to 1,500 RPM for customized control during drilling on wood or metal. The 2.0 ampere-hours lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting cordless power, while the flexible shaft drill bit allows access to narrow spaces. A built-in LED light enhances visibility in dark areas. With an ergonomic, lightweight design and strong overload resistance, this electric drill is ideal for DIY projects and more demanding applications. Working in tight engine bays or cramped spaces demands compact yet powerful tools for efficient fastening. The Milwaukee M12 FUEL ratchets are the most compact and powerful in their class, ideal for high-performance tasks. Featuring a low-profile 3/4 of an inch head design, they allow easy access to tight areas. These cordless ratchets deliver up to 35 foot-pounds of torque at 250 RPM, offering superior fastening speeds. The variable speed metal trigger ensures precise control, while the recessed forward-reverse knob prevents accidental actuation. Built with rugged steel-reinforced housing, they also include an LED light and battery fuel gauge. Compatible with red lithium compact or XC batteries, they're perfect for automotive and mechanical applications. Accurate alignment and measurement are crucial for flawless indoor installation tasks. Introducing the AikTryee Laser Level Line Tool, a multi-purpose laser level kit designed to meet those needs with precision and ease. It features 3 laser line modes: vertical, horizontal, and cross, controlled by a simple slider switch, making it easy for anyone to operate. With an integrated 8-foot standard metric tape measure and built-in standard metric rulers, it's ideal for picture hanging, cabinet installation, tiling, and wall alignment. The tool's 3-pronged approach includes level 0 degrees, plumb 90 degrees, and 45-degree bubble indicators for greater accuracy. Compact and affordable, this laser level is perfect for DIYers and professionals. Reliable drilling and screw driving tools are essential for efficient home repairs and DIY projects. The DEKO Pro Cordless Drill is a 20-volt electric power drill set designed for versatility and ease of use. Equipped with a 1.5 ampere-hours lithium-ion high-capacity replaceable battery pack and charger, this compact 2.5-pound drill ensures portability and long-lasting performance. It features 2 variable speeds and 18+1 torque settings, allowing precise control for various tasks. The cordless design offers convenience, and the included drill bits make installation quick and simple. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or drilling into wood or metal, this DEKO Pro drill is the perfect companion for all your DIY and repair needs. Precise color matching and distance control are essential for flawless spray painting results. The Walcom 360 TrueLight Evo Meter is a cutting-edge tool designed to enhance your spraying accuracy and finish quality. Featuring a powerful 6500K LED with 98 CRI, 4 times brighter than the competition, it ensures accurate color checks. It includes 5 universal adapters to fit most spray guns, a protective lens for the spraying phase, and a spare in the box. Key functions include a radar meter to measure distance, visual distance indicators, an adjustable tolerance range, and dimmable light intensity from 1% to 100%. USB-C rechargeable with improved battery life, it's perfect for professional spray applications. Securely anchoring drilling equipment to concrete surfaces is crucial for safety and precision. The CARDI Anchor Fixing Kit provides reliable M12 wedge anchors designed specifically for securing CARDI core drill stands and rigs. This kit ensures stable and safe setups, reducing vibrations and movement during drilling operations. It includes all necessary fixing components for quick installation and durable performance. Compatible with both wet and dry drilling methods, the kit supports various CARDI models, enhancing operational stability. Primarily used to firmly anchor drilling rigs to concrete, it is essential for maintaining accuracy and safety in core drilling tasks. Precision and power are crucial for demanding contractor cutting tasks. The RIDGID Gen 5X circular saw delivers true corded performance with the freedom of an 18-volt cordless design. Its open-frame permanent magnet motor powers a full-size 7¼ blade capable of ripping plywood effortlessly. The heat-treated aluminum base enhances durability, while the 0 to 56-degree bevel detent system offers stops at common angles for accurate bevel cuts. A dust blower clears debris from the blade's path, and LED lights improve visibility for precise cutting. Featuring a hex grip micro texture for secure handling, this saw is built for professionals and backed by a lifetime service agreement. When time is critical and precision matters, you need a tool that delivers both speed and control. Meet the Rockwell Sonicrafter Multi-Tool, the first oscillating tool with 2 oscillation modes, one for high power and wide blade angles, and another for detailed precision work. This tool combines power and precision, making it ideal for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty tasks or intricate detail work, its fast performance and adjustable control make it stand out. Built for serious professionals and dedicated DIYers, the Rockwell Sonicrafter is perfect for those who demand reliability and versatility in one multifunctional tool. Protecting yourself from harmful fumes, gases, and particles is vital in spray painting and industrial environments. The Walcom PRO MASK offers the highest safety class respiratory protection, specifically designed for professional painters. It features integrated automatic airflow control and calibration for consistent performance and protects against organic, inorganic, and acidic gases, vapors, smoke, aerosols, and dust. Easier filter maintenance with only the pre-filter needing frequent checks and a single main filter replacement makes upkeep simple. The mask includes all essential accessories, a bag, a visor, a filter, a tear-off, a shoulder support, and a recharge station. With improved fit and quieter operation, it's perfect for contract painters and daily spray work. Working with snap rings requires precision, durability, and the right tool for both internal and external applications. The WORKPRO Tools Snap Ring Pliers Set is a professional-grade 4-piece kit designed to meet those exact needs. It includes both internal and external snap ring pliers in straight and bent jaw styles, each measuring 7 inches in length. Made from high-strength CRV steel with a black electrophoretic finish, these pliers offer excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The spring-loaded mechanism ensures strong holding power, while ergonomic rubberized handles provide enhanced comfort and grip. Stored in a convenient roll-up pouch, this set is perfect for installing or removing snap rings in automotive, mechanical, or DIY applications. Precise and stable angled drilling is essential for strong, clean wood joinery and carpentry projects. Introducing the VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit, a high-performance solution designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Built with a CNC machined aluminum alloy body and stainless steel extension support rod, this jig offers strong, stable clamping and long-lasting corrosion resistance. Its titanium-plated step drill bit ensures uniform drilling speed and smooth hole finishes without tearing. The kit includes adjustable depth settings, detachable guide block, chip removal outlet, clamp, fixture, wrenches, drill stop rings, and more, all stored in a portable toolbox. Ideal for DIY carpentry, it delivers flawless, adjustable, and stable pocket hole drilling every time. Effective rust and corrosion removal is critical for safe and reliable wheel maintenance. The Martin stud and hub cleaning tools are the toughest 2-in-1 cleaning solution on the market, designed specifically for trucks and heavy vehicles. Made in one piece for maximum durability, this tool features heavy-duty stainless steel brushes that easily remove rust and corrosion from studs, while a long-lasting abrasive pad cleans rotors, hubs, and the back of wheels without damaging the surface. Capable of cleaning up to 200 vehicles or 800 wheels, it's built for high-volume performance. Ideal for use on tractor trailers and trucks, it ensures a clean, safe fit between wheel and hub every time. Keeping screws, nuts, bolts, and small tools within reach is essential for tackling weekend chores efficiently. The Rapid MagSnap Wristband is a practical solution designed for grown-up responsibilities like home repairs, assembly, and DIY projects. Equipped with strong magnets, it securely holds screws, nuts, bolts, washers, drill bits, and more, keeping your hands free and your work organized. A built-in pocket conveniently stores wall anchors and other non-magnetic items, while the breathable mesh interior ensures comfort during extended use. With its adjustable fit, this one-size-fits-most wristband is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their tasks and stay focused without losing small parts. Prying, pulling nails, and scraping require a tool with maximum strength and precision. The VAUGHAN SuperBar is a trusted solution for both tradesmen and homeowners, offered in 15-inch lengths. Built from drop-forged, heat-treated spring steel, it delivers unmatched durability and toughness for heavy-duty use. Its innovative Shepherd's Crook rocker head design provides superior leverage and maximum prying power. Featuring 3 beveled nail slots, it allows quick and easy nail removal, while the sharp, polished blades ensure smooth insertion for efficient prying and scraping. Whether you're lifting molding, removing nails, or tackling demolition tasks, the SuperBar is a reliable, must-have multi-purpose tool. Precision and efficiency are essential when stripping wires for electrical or DIY projects. The Weicon tools. Wire stripper is designed for fast, accurate, and safe wire stripping with minimal effort. Specifically built for the wire stripper, Number 5 Pro features a quick and easy blade change system. By simply removing the length stop, covers, and pins, users can effortlessly replace worn blades with spare ones, ensuring consistent performance. The reassembly is just as simple. Click in the upper blade, clamp the lower blade, and reattach all parts securely. Ideal for both professionals and DIY users, this tool ensures smooth, precise stripping for all your wiring needs. Breaking through tough surfaces requires power, durability, and a user-friendly design. The VEVOR Demolition. Jackhammer is built to exceed expectations with heavy-duty aluminum construction and a pure copper motor for high performance and long-lasting use. Equipped with replaceable chisels, a 360-degree rotary ergonomic handle, and a D-shaped rear handle with trigger and lock buttons, it ensures control, comfort, and reduced fatigue during extended tasks. The efficient blow and vent system and viewable oil port keep the tool cool and well-maintained. Ideal for demolition, trenching, chipping, and breaking holes in concrete, brick, tile, and more, it's perfect for plumbing, mechanical installations, and construction of water supply and drainage systems. Precise angle measurement and marking are essential in carpentry and construction tasks. Enter the Hultafors Quattro Bevel Square, a multifunctional, high-precision tool built for professional accuracy and durability. Featuring 7 fixed positions and a foldable, adjustable blade, it also functions as a bevel square for measuring angles from 0 to 90 degrees. The 45mm wide stainless steel blade has a center line for standard stud work, laser cut for accuracy and strength. It includes scribing notches, a wear-resistant joint, and high-contrast, laser-etched metric graduation. With an anodized aluminum stock and compact foldable design, it's pocket-friendly and eco-consciously produced. Ideal for marking, measuring, and angle setting in demanding job site conditions. Reliable, compact inflation tools are essential for every cyclist to stay prepared on the trail or road. Meet the Wolftooth EnCase pump, a high-performance portable pump engineered for ease, precision, and versatility. Featuring the EnviroLock twist system, it provides secure handle engagement and smooth operation without requiring a hose or threading. Simply insert the valve directly. The integrated tool compartment stores essential items like a tool sleeve or tire plugger with a secure snap-fit cap. Made for convenience, it includes a frame mount bracket that fits standard 2-bolt bottle bosses, and its adjustable clips and reversible straps enhance compatibility with various frame configurations. Ideal for tire inflation, tool storage, and on-the-go bike maintenance. Precision and durability are critical when cutting ultra-compact surfaces like Dekton and Neolith. The Stonegate Italdiamant Dekton blade is engineered specifically for these demanding materials, featuring extremely hard diamonds set in a soft bond for efficient segment wear and clean, fast cuts. Accredited by leading UCS manufacturers, this blade ensures superior performance and peace of mind. For optimal results, it requires a high volume of water to cool and clean the segments during operation. Sharpening the blade before and after each use with an accredited sharpening block helps maintain peak cutting efficiency. Ideal for bridge saws, it's the professional choice for cutting specialist stones with precision and consistency. That's our list of 20 cool woodworking and DIY tools that every maker should check out. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss our next tool showcase. Thanks for watching and keep building smarter.